Hi, I'm Gaurav Jujude, Director Jai Balaji Group, and today was the first event of the Jai Balaji Endura series of 100k. Around 75, 76 participants have taken part all over India, and it's a virtual bike ride, and Viva and I completed my 100 today. So I am looking forward for more participants in the coming series of 200, 300 and 400 kilometers. So all the best to all the cyclists, and we look forward for all of the cyclists to join in this event. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Howard. I ride with Dow, and I was looking forward to do this Fox 100, and I can't wait for that brooch that is there waiting for us somewhere, and I'm sure Nishant has kept it on ice, and I'm looking forward to it, hopefully with some champagne. But yeah, it was a tough ride. It was a hard ride, but Kelly and myself, we did it together. We kind of drafted a lot in between, and I think we learned that we coordinated pretty well on the roads. Signs were pretty good, and I enjoyed the entire experience. That's it for me. Ciao.
Hi, I'm Kelly. This is a great morning for 100 kilometers. We did a nice loop, a scenic route through villages, but then up to Dakshineshwar and saw a temple, and then had some highway driving. So we encountered all kinds of different terrain, which was great. There was a small group of 4 of us that started on that route, but it was fun knowing that there was a community of people out in various parts of the city also facing the same challenges. So it's exciting to be part of the biking community in Kolkata.
Hi, I'm Prema Rajaram. I'm a runner and have now taken to cycling. I have been cycling occasionally in the last 4 years, but now in the last 2 months I've ended up doing 100, 150. But today I did 100 on the highway, and I thank Nishant, who's a friend of mine, and others who were there for support, because I don't think without the support of others around, I would have had that courage to go on the highway. It was actually quite easy to cycle on the highway, vis-a-vis cycling in the city. So I think virtual events like this will really help and encourage many first-timers. Thank you so much.
This was like one of my fastest centuries ever, and I'm happy that I took this challenge, and I owe my challenge to this lady, Kelly. She's the one who has pushed me to ride better. So thank you Nishant for this event.
Hi, myself Sumanta, and it's been nice to part of this Fox 100, and I believe I have done it in 5 hours or so. It's been one of the route I took is one of the scenic one. It's it goes through the East Kolkata township and then towards Dakshineshwar, and then Delhi Bombay Road, and back to via Victoria. It's one of the best route, and thanks for the organizers. Thanks a lot for organizing such an event, and I would look forward to take part in these events in future. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mithun, and I'm riding for the last 10 years, both in Kolkata and in the mountains, and I'm it was a nice experience today. So we went with around 20 riders, and we went on the highway, and it was good. A bit of traffic on the road, still like Sunday also, but we had a nice ride, and all the riders were doing amazing. And the best part was they were not mentally giving up. They were still they fought for the finish to complete the century, and variety of cycles were there. Some very high quality, some basic, some for beginners, some intermediate, but all of them rode with good motivation and power, and I wish them all the best. And I also enjoyed riding with all of them, and I hope to ride with them in the future. So yeah, thank you.
Hi, this is Raja Jain. It was nice experience, but this was not my first time. Weather was very hot. We started 4:30, and thanks Nishant to organize all these races, and that also on my birthday, 11th October. First time I've done myself 100 kilometers on my birthday, and a very happy gift to myself. Thank you Nishant, and all the best to all the riders. Bye.
Hi, this is Konak, part of Dow and Kolkata Ultra Running Group. This has been my first 100k, and it's a great feeling through the nooks and corners of Calcutta. keep pedaling, guys. Thank you, Nishant. Thank you, Sportiz. Take care. Bye.
Hi, I'm Dave. This is the first 100 of the Fox 100 which we are doing. Fabulous experience. Thanks for the great initiative by Nishant. I think we're going to do a few more 100, 200s and 300s. Thanks to Gaurav from Balaji and Nishant for arranging this. Thanks again.